How to make all photos private on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. Here, make sure you're logged into your account, and as you're logged into your account, tap on your profile at the top right corner. Now scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings again, and as you tap on Settings, scroll down, and under the options of audience and visibility, you'll be able to see the option of profile and tagging. So just tap on profile and tagging. So here you can see there's different options over here regarding a view and sharing, tagging and implied mentions, reviewing, and so on. So what you simply need to do is tap on each option and turn it to only me. So when you do that, you'll be able to make all of your photos and all of your posts private on Facebook. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.